I think you'll really enjoy Chapter 9. It deals with the foundations of group behavior, i.e. teamwork. More often than not, we work within groups, although there are individual elements to everything that we do. Our contribution primarily. You'll see some good foundational information found within this this section. And it does this lays the groundwork, at least, so you understand the stages of group development, how role requirements or the roles that we play within groups. Maybe it's not always a leader. I think we teach way too much leadership and not enough how to follow within group dynamics, because we will spend way more time being a follower than a leader. So, and that is just as critical to the success of leadership, is to have good followers. And do listen to those videos I mentioned in the former chapter, Chapter 8, by the Sioux, Team Frog Logic, about team life and team concepts. I think you'll find it fascinating. This chapter really brings together a lot of other concepts that we've had before, especially the idea of diversity and how it affects a work team. And by that, just think of it as differences. And differences as in they could be surface, they could be deeper, but just potential conflicts and how that affects the cohesion or the operational success of groups or teams. And whether, you've heard the term gel, a team gels or a team comes together. That tends to mean that, and you can use sports analogies all day long, that they come together in a like mind, a like focus, a focus utterly on the goals of the organization and the team, at the expense potentially of their individual success or recognition. And then it compares effectiveness of interacting, brainstorming, nominal electronic meeting groups. This is a chapter chock full of good information and how-to, so it's very application-oriented. You do well to study this very carefully. This will have a direct bearing on your project, and we should see evidence of, I should see evidence of that in your analysis and your recommendations. So read Chapter 9 carefully, and again, always pay close attention to the tips for managers toward the end of the chapter. So, good luck.